going on, everybody? How you doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. Okay, so today what we're going to do, we're going to talk about, basically, we're going to talk about how, okay, now that we found your niche product, we found who we're going to help, we're going to take our knowledge and we're going to take it to the computer, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to go into Google, okay, and I'm going to show you a few different variations of how we're going to do this, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to jump into the computer, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys exactly how to take your niche and the target audience that you're looking for and go put it in Google to search for your product that you want to help with, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to use weight loss as an example, and we're going to use weight loss for women between like 25 and 45, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to go find that in Google, okay? And I'm going to show you guys exactly kind of how to do it. Like, you don't have to do target audience so much when you're searching, because obviously you're not going to say 25 to 45, because the thing is, obviously, yeah. So you should have been doing the research with that, but I'll show you exactly if you didn't do the research on your target audience, and like maybe you just kind of picked it out, like, oh, okay, I want to help a 25-year-old woman lose weight, okay? I'll show you in this exactly how to kind of target that and then how to pick your product, okay? So let's go ahead and jump in the computer. I know that looks like I'm kind of crazy, but my computer's over here, okay? And then, yeah, we're gonna go from there, okay? So guys, let's go ahead and jump in. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Now we're in the computer now. We're gonna do this big thing called search. All right, so what we're going to do is, now that we know what a niche is and we know how to pick a product, what we're going to do now is take our niche and pick our product, okay? So basically what we're going to do is we are going to, let's use a product. Let's do weight loss, okay? I want to teach you guys how to do something like, I'm big into fitness. So the thing is, I'm going to teach you guys weight loss. I mean, I'm not going to teach you guys, but I'm going to show you how to pick a product with me using weight loss as my samples, okay? Or example. All right, so weight loss being the thing, let's go weight loss affiliate programs. Weight loss affiliate programs, guys. Okay, you got all these. You got the big names, the big dogs. So you got 10 best weight loss affiliate programs. Let's click that very first top link. You got Diet Direct. Diet Direct, you would click their website right here. It would take you in. Weight Loss Evolved. Okay, $397 average sale, commission rate 30%, average commission $119. Your conversion rate is 16%. Jillian Michaels, everybody knows who Jillian Michaels is. What? All right, you're gonna earn 70% of a $0 to $2,600 initial enrollment fees per month. 80% of the $2,600 to $5,200 of initial fees per month, and 90% of $5,200 initial fees per month. Okay, you would click right here and you would sign up. You go to the website there to get all your products and stuff for your promoting. Okay, healthy wage, diet to go, maximum slim, workout anywhere. See, like right here, you get your affiliate earn anywhere from $30 to $150 right here. Earn 25% commission for every new customer. Earn $40+ each sale. Earn $50 for each sale. Okay. I'll tell you what. I'm going to show you guys how to sign up. So let's go to Jillian's. Let's go click here. Okay. Jillian Michaels affiliate program. All right. A new website, a new program. We launched a new. Oh, looks like they know. Wow. How old is this? Huh. All right, so let's not go there, guys, because that's not going to work. How old is this website? If that was in 2017, where to go? Let's go to another one then. Let's click here. All right, healthy wage, about affiliates. How would you like to earn money for helping others win big for losing weight and getting healthy? That's exactly what you'll do when you join the Healthy Wage Affiliate Program. Sign up today. Earn $50 for each Healthy Wage sign up, $30 for each Teen Challenge participant, and it's going to be on Share Sale, which is an affiliate network. Cookie Life is 30 days. Guys, a cookie. You're probably thinking chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip cookie. Publix chocolate chip cookie. Yum. No. Okay. A cookie is basically what they call a sticky cookie. You promote a product. Say they give you a link. You have what they call a sticky cookie. If somebody clicks on that link for the next 30 days, if that person signs up for that you get signed up. Or, I mean, you get the payment, okay? After 30 days, it becomes somebody else's, all right? If that person, if they say like they had a year cookie on it, for the next year somebody signed up under your link, you would get the commission for it, okay? Unless they went into their internet settings and they wiped the search data. Then you would lose the cookie. But what that is basically a cookie sits in the system and it's tied to you for as long as that cookie stays there. Like ClickFunnels, it's a lifetime. So basically, if somebody clicks on there and say 90 days later, they decide, oh, I really think I want to try this program. And then they sign up, you still get paid. Okay, so basically, it's like a way to hold on to people. All right, so you get a 30-day sticky cookie. You have access to banners, text links, additional contents, and you'll be part of the Share Sale platform. Okay, we'll get into Share Sale, guys, I promise. I'm not a Share Sale affiliate, so you have to sign up. I will show you how to sign up. We'll go through all that, but that's basically one way to do it. But let's go back. Let's go back from Google. You can just find ones this way, guys. Okay? You could also do something like go to youtube.com. Okay? I want to show you something. What you could do is best weight loss affiliate program. Okay, put it in there, and then now you will get, oh, he's an affiliate marketer himself, and he's telling you what weight loss programs to push right there. That helps you guys right there. Boom. He's probably one of the top affiliates in the world, so let's listen.
Ruby Love is a $22 million online business.
I got myself on mute. Okay, but let's go down here. Okay.
Continues to grow with Wix.com.
He doesn't have a link.
Want to grow your business too?
Okay, I thought he might have a link, but never mind.
From Crystal Etienne,
see if I can get
the woman behind this huge success.
Ruby Love is leak-proof underwear and swimwear for your period. In 2 years, the company went from 1 employee to over 40 employees in our own fulfillment center. This all used to be in my basement.
I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get it.
Weight loss. It is the biggest niche in online marketing and affiliate marketing.
Okay. But guys, you see, all you have to do is look that up, and you can find that through YouTube. Basically, just look that up on YouTube. Another way you can do it is one other way you can use what they call an affiliate network. We're going to go to what they call Clickbank, and we're going to go to the marketplace. And you're going to go in here. And you're going to go to health and fitness, okay? And you're going to go right here, okay? Actually, hold on. Go to health and fitness and go down to diets and weight loss. All right? Diet and weight loss. You got all these different products that you can promote. You'll click these. If you want the affiliate program, you'll click these. Basically, let's go to the custom keto diet. You click here. It's going to be their sales page right here. Regular diet versus the keto diet. And then you click play to find out why. Okay, so this is a landing page for people to click on. So if I click this right here, it would take me to a quiz. All right, so this quiz is going to take me. I'm a male. I'm extremely active. Let's go with beef. Beef, it's what's for dinner. And let's go with fish and chicken. Boom. Okay, let's go. Veggies. Let's pick broccoli, asparagus, and zucchini. And please select which other foods you would like to be included. So basically, I will go through here. This is actually not a quiz. This is actually stuff I guess they're going to send to you. This is how you pick another weight loss product. Let's go back to the marketplace. Okay. If I wanted to be an affiliate for them, I would click right here. And this is their affiliate resources. It gives you banners, social media, lead magnets. If you're not seeing what I'm talking about, it's over here on the left side, lead magnets. A lead magnet is like a printout or a PDF or something that you can send people for free. We'll get into that later, though. Landing pages, videos, media buyers, customer demographics. Like so, if we want to check this, see who's the biggest demographic. Obviously, 80% women, and then 20% men, 35 to 65. Wow, 65-year-old men. Wow, I didn't expect that. You got United States, so you got the different countries it's big in. It's funny as these are like almost the big countries that are like Only thing you're missing is, well, now you got the United Kingdom. So, but yeah, guys, that's exactly how you would pick your weight loss program or your weight loss whatever. But remember, you don't have to do weight loss. I'm just using weight loss as an example. We can go back here and go Google. Okay. Google.com. Boom. Okay. And just go here. Whatever you want to pick, you just type in blank affiliate program. So say we were a football college team affiliate. I don't know if they're going to have it or not. Affiliate program. We're just going to look it up. Okay. Affiliate program. Score big with these 10 football affiliate programs. Okay. So NFL shop. You can sign up for the NFL shop. You can sign up for the student, the Strideline affiliate program. Oh, I got student. Under Armour, Fans Edge, sports memorabilia, prep sportswear. Anything you can think of, guys, you can just type it into Google and find an affiliate program. Okay? So, guys, I hope you have a great day. Remember, let's do it again. Keep your heads up. Be positive. I know we're in a hard time, but we can do this. Things are going great in this world. We're going to get back. Don't worry. Just got to stick this together. So, guys, remember, keep your heads up. Let's do it.